Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. This is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the GM size in the Damier Ebene print. I have this cute little Minnie Mouse pom-pom on here. So if you'd like to see what I take to and from work in my work bag, then please keep watching. So here is my work bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the GM size. This is the Damier Ebene print. So I take this to and from work every single day when I go into the office. I have this cute little Minnie Mouse bag charm that I got off of Amazon. And this is so full with things, even though it could fit way more. I just recently picked this one up for work and for traveling. I do have the Neverfull in the MM size, the monogram one. And that one, I love it. It's the second Louis Vuitton purse that I bought, but these straps are turning really dark and I just wanted to give that one a break, so I had got this one. And yeah, so it is very, very full. So let's get into it. So the first thing I see is my water bottle. So this water bottle is from Amazon. This is such a great water bottle. It says it keeps your water cold for like 9 to 12 hours. I swear it's like 24 hours. It is so good. Then next I have my planner. I also got this off of Amazon. It is so cute. It's hardcover. It says busy on it. And you get stickers and you get these cute little, what are these called? Dashboards. And they are so cute, and I love writing in planners. It keeps me really organized with my work schedule and, you know, things going on in my life. So I love planners. I really was thinking about either getting the Louis Vuitton desk agenda or the bigger planner, like the little case, but I don't know. I think I'll just stick with these. Next I have my phone. This is the iPhone 11. I got this case off of Amazon. It is super cute. And then I have this, which is completely dumping out. This is my Louis Vuitton Toiletry 19. This is perfect. If you are thinking about any of the toiletries, I highly recommend this one. This one is the perfect size. It holds so much. Mine's like overflowing right now, but in here I have Tums, I have my Flonase, I have a mirror, I have Kleenex. Let me just show it like this. I have these little teeth flossers. I have spoolies for my lash lifts. I have this little purse hook. I have some mints. I have some wet ones. Just everyday like purse essentials. But this is perfect for travel, for your purse, for everything. I really love this one. I have my keys. So my keys are attached to my first Louis Vuitton piece ever. This is the key clay or the key pouch, and mine is super old. I got mine in 2009. I was just looking at it the other day. It has some like glazing issues right here, and then it's kind of starting to crack on the canvas at the top, but this is my favorite piece. I use this every single day. I've used this every single day since 2009 when I got it, so it is perfect. I love it. I will never get rid of it, and in it I just keep like cards that have to do with my car. And then I have my key fob, a mace that my dad bought me, and a Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. Then I have another hand sanitizer, which this is the one that I actually do like. I have this gum, which it's like almost gone, which it's really not that necessary to keep this big of a, you know, case, but whatever. This is one of my favorite gums. I think I have another gum somewhere in here. This is like so much stuff. Like usually my purse is like so organized, but this one, if you saw my last what's in my bag, that one was super organized. This one is just crazy. So next, this is the Toiletry 15. So this is the smaller one than this. I used to have the 26, but I did sell that. But in here, this just holds my makeup. So in here, I just have This is the KKW Beauty and Mario collab. This is called Super Nude. I'm so upset that she discontinued this, but I guess it's okay. I should have bought more. That was my fault. And then this is a MAC lipstick in Arrowhead. This was from a collection. I want to say it was Vibe Tribe. This was one of my favorites. Look at this. It's like basically gone. But I have a backup, so it's fine. But yeah, that one is a really good nude. I love Super Nude. I know that's like not for everybody, but it is for me. And then I have my, I have my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is N4. This really doesn't match me. I think it's a little too light now. Oops. But it's okay. I haven't been into the store to get a new one. And then I have See-Through Lip Gloss by MAC, which is my favorite. And then Jerusha Couture, she made me buy this. This is the Gucci lipstick in Linda Beige. She was raving about the Gucci lipstick, so I bought this one because it's super nude and I love it. And then I have Oak Lip Liner, which is my favorite from MAC. And then I have 2 more of those little spoolies. I have the pouch that comes with the Neverfulls now. My old Neverfull did not come with this. I feel like they had just started putting these in like a month after I bought that one, I swear. But anyway, so in here, I think this is empty. Yeah, this is empty. So I actually took it, me and my brothers went out and I took it with me, and I don't know, I don't really like it because it's flat. Like, I don't really see, like, I could see it as a clutch, but I don't know. Like, if you guys have this, please let me know what you use this for. Do you use it as a clutch? Do you use it as, like, a catch-all? Like, please let me know, because I don't know, I just can't get into it. I don't know what it is, but yeah, please let me know. And I have my wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet. If you guys want to see a 1-year review on this wallet, please let me know, because I will totally do that. I do have a story about this wallet. But yeah, in here I just keep cash, insurance cards, loyalty cards, gift cards, my debit cards, my credit cards, just things like that. Next I have my Hello Kitty AirPods case. This is the mask that I wore to work today, so I just threw that back in my purse. I'm gonna have to wash this. And now is just like miscellaneous things that should be in my Toiletry 19, but it's not. So this is a pill case with headache medicine. This is my key card that scans in to get into the building that I work in. I got this little case for it on Etsy. It says Drea. It is super cute. I love it. This is my favorite hand cream. It's from L'Occitane. This is perfect. This is like so good. I love this. Then I have one of these little clips for your hair. I have some wet ones. I have some big red gum that is still sealed. Then I have on here some keys. Well, it's just a house key and some like loyalty cards. And this little Hello Kitty keychain that I got from Universal Studios. Then I have this cute little notebook just in case I want to write anything down. I got this from the dollar store. And I have Clorox wipes. And then I have Carmex. And that's all that is in the main part. Let's see what's in here. In here I have another hand sanitizer. And then I have a bunch of these little alcohol prep pads, which kind of suck. They're super small, so you need like 5. And then I have this Purell single that they gave me on the airplane when I went to California. And yeah, that is it. That is everything that is in my bag. And that is it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below. Also, leave me some suggestions if you have any for any further videos. Share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one.